Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Bank of America online banking so you can access your account from a computer or mobile browser. To get started, open a web browser and go to the official Bank of America website. Once the page loads, you'll see the sign-in section on the homepage. Enter your Bank of America user ID and passcode in the login fields, then click Sign In. If you're using a trusted device, you may have the option to save your user ID for faster access next time. If Bank of America needs to verify your identity, you may be asked to enter a one-time authorization code sent to your phone or email. If you've forgotten your user ID or passcode, click the Forgot ID or Passcode link and follow the on-screen steps to recover or reset your login information. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to view your accounts, check balances, transfer money, pay bills, and manage your Bank of America banking online. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you log into Bank of America online banking, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.